Here in this video you will get the solution of the question number 3 of the NCERT book class 10 exercise number 8.1. You can find out this exercise on the page number of 181 and we are doing the topic of trigonometry. So what is the question? The question is given, if the value of sine A is given 3/4, then you have to calculate the values of cos A and that of the tan A. So we are starting the answer. Here it is given sine A, value of sine A is given 3/4. Also you know sine theta is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So obviously from these two you can write perpendicular by hypotenuse is equals to 3/4. Therefore you have got the ratio of the perpendicular and the hypotenuse. From this line you can take perpendicular as 3k unit and hypotenuse as 4k unit, where k is not equals to 0, a constant. Here. Now you need to find out the values of cos A and that of the tan A, and you know both of these values are connected with the base of a right angle triangle. And in this question you know the values of perpendicular and hypotenuse. You do not know what is the value of base. So you have to find out what is the value of base, and obviously you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore using Pythagoras theorem, so all of us know that what is the theorem of the Pythagoras, that is perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. And in this equation you have to put up the values of perpendicular and that of the hypotenuse. So we are putting, and I am coming here, the value of perpendicular is 3k, therefore it would be 3k whole square plus b, because we don't know what of b, we are finding value of b, and hypotenuse is k whole square. Here 3 square would be, and k square would be k square, and that's why 3 square is 9. B square and 4 square is 16, you know, 4 into 4 16, and k square is k square. You need the value of b, so b square equals to 16k square minus 9k square, because 9 was on the LHS and it is going towards the RHS, so it would be subtracted because it was added on the LHS. So if you subtract 16 and 9, you will get the answer 7, and k square would be with the coefficient. And you need the value of b, so whenever you are neglecting the square, it will be root over on the next hand side, so it will be root over 7k square. So root 7 will be root 7 because 7 is a prime number and it is not any perfect square number, so it cannot come out of the square root, so it will be root 7, and k square would be k because it is coming outside of the square root. So value of b, that means base, is becoming root 7 into k unit. Now you need the value of cos A. So you know cos A equals to base by hypotenuse, b by h, and you know what is the value of b, you have just find out, that is root 7 k, and in the question the hypotenuse was 4k. Clear? So k and k are getting cancelled out because by our assumption k was not equal to 0. So you can easily cut them up. So the value would be root 7 by 4. Now we are going to find out the value of tan A. So tan A is equals to, you know, perpendicular by base, p by b. Now you know what is the value of perpendicular, that was 3k, so we are putting here 3k, and you have just find out the value of b, that means base, that is root 7 into k, that means root 7 k. Again you can easily cut them up, k and k, because k was not equals to 0, and the value you are getting 3 by root 7. That means the value of cos A is becoming 7 by root 7 by 4, and that of tan A is becoming 3 by root 7. So it was the total solution of this sum. Thank you friends for watching this video, and stay connected with me for the total solution of the book NCERT.